Hi everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Reclaim AI. First of all, open your browser, then type in your browser Reclaim AI, hit enter. Now go to the website. Now once you're here, you will have to make yourself a free account and you will have to link your Google Calendar with Reclaim AI. Now after you're done with that, you will see on the left side here the planner, the tasks, the habits, and smart one-on-ones. Now the planner here is this simple calendar that will have your all your tasks and habits that it will notify you about. Now first we're going to create some habits. Just click on this habits window right here and click on new habit right here. Now in here name that habit something. I'm just going to say lunch. After that scroll down and you can set the duration from here. I'm just going to keep it at that. And when you scroll further down, you will see the timing of this habit. For example, I'm just gonna give it 1 a.m. to 3, sorry, 1 p.m. to 3 p.m. Just copy to all, and after that, you will have to select the ideal time right here. For example, I'm just gonna go for 1:30, let's say 30 p.m. Let's say. For that, scroll down. You can also add some notes right here. Now, the visibility section is related with how other people will see your schedule. You can either show them that you are having lunch at this time, or you can just show them that you're busy without a description. So, I'm just going to keep it at the first one. Now, this section has to do with how much priority do you give to this habit. Now, this section right here is related with how much priority do you want to give to this habit. For example, if you have another work to do or you have another task to do or you want to do another meeting, this can be like overwritten by that task by just clicking on this always free button. Or if you it is or if it's the most priority thing, or if this thing holds the most priority for you, you can just click on this always busy button right here. Now, this section has to do with how important this habit is to you and can this habit be overwritten by another task or another habit or not. You can select to these options right here. This one being that it is your least priority, and this one being that this habit is your most prioritized habit. After that, just check the notification box and click on save. Now that habit will be added right here. Now if you wanted to make it a priority habit, you can just click on it and just drop it in the priority habits above this line right here. Now we're gonna create a new habit with low priority. Just click on this new habit button right here. Repeat the steps as I told earlier. I'm just gonna stay walk after lunch. Scroll down. You can choose duration. I'm gonna choose the timing for this one as well. I'm just gonna say 1:40 p.m. to 2 p.m. Copy to all. Scroll down. Ideal time 1:45 1:45 p.m. Now make sure to move this habit to always free so that it can be overridden by another habit or task as it is the least priority for you. Just click on save right here. Now after we have created this habit, we're just going to keep it in the low priority habits. Now if you go back to the planner here, now if you come here, you can see that our prioritized habit, which is the lunch, is shown with a bigger size, while our less prioritized habit, which is the walk after lunch, is shown with a smaller size. Now we're going to create a task. Just click on this task window right here and click on new task right here. Just name that task. I'm just going to say video edit. After that, you can select the duration from here, minimum duration, maximum duration, and I'm gonna schedule it in such a way that it collides with my lunch and walk after lunch timing. Just gonna say 22 right here and just click on create from that. And this task has been added right here. Now, if you go back to the planner, you can see that our most prioritized habit is still in the first place, showing with a much bigger size. Now then there is this task right here, which is the video edit that I just added, which is being shown with a medium size rectangle, while the walk after lunch, which is our least prioritized habit, is at the bottom, showing that it is our least prioritized habit. Now the last thing I want to talk about is how to set up meetings with other Reclaim AI users. Just click on the smart one-to-ones. Scroll down and click on this. Now in here you will have to type in the email address with whom you want to have a meeting with and make sure that that person also have a Reclaim AI account. I'm just gonna leave this for as blank for now. After that, you can just add a custom title right here. What is the purpose of the meeting? After that, you can add in a little description in here as well. Now here you can choose the duration and frequency. For example, the meeting will be 30 minutes long and it will take place weekly. You can choose the ideal day and time from here, and you can also choose the starting date and time. You can also add some other video conferencing details. For example, you can add Google Meet in here, or you can also add Zoom in here. You will have to add a meeting location or a video conference link where you two will meet, and you can also send a note. Now after you click on this create button right here, an invite will be sent to that person that you invited, that this person wants to have a meeting with you, and Reclaim AI will reschedule your schedules to make sure that the meeting takes place. So that's pretty much it, and that was my tutorial of Reclaim AI. Hope you guys liked it. Thanks for watching. Bye.